Okay, I got to tell you a story. So we pull into this campground yesterday. It's our stop in the middle of Nebraska. Passport America, $20. So we pull in, and the girl comes up to us and says, hey, because it's kind of like a find an empty spot and just take it and then register at the little booth, which I'll show you here in a second. She comes over and says, hey, site whatever is much bigger. 29 is much bigger, so maybe you want to move over there, and it's also a full hookup, same price. So we weren't set up yet, so we pulled over there and got set up, and she comes over to the camper, and I said, what do we do? Just go down to the little shed and pay? She goes, yeah, when you get all set up, don't worry about it. I said, well, let me pay you right now since we're here. And she said, okay. So I give her the money, and she takes it, and she looks me straight in the eye, and she goes, thank you for stopping here. We really appreciate your business. And because of those words right there, we're making a video review of her campground. Mom and pop type thing. Just her and her husband. They own it. They maintain it. They do everything here. They had bought it like a year ago. So I guess they had been doing some improvements to it. And I'll show you what those are, because I got some reviews that said stuff like, it's just a dirt parking lot, so they put in some grass. And they got other reviews that said there's no shade, so they actually planted trees. And I think it's great that somebody takes the initiative to do that to the campground to make it better for, especially us, traveling. This is a perfect overnight stop because a half a mile from the interstate. But check it out. If there's nobody here, that's where you pay. You put it in a little mail slot. They have a playground. It's only got a swing set in it now, but they're working on fixing that up. And then they just put this in. They actually commandeered 2 campsites to make a dog park. Now, we travel with our dogs, so that's kind of important to us. And I think it's pretty cool that they did that. So you can see where the 2 campsites used to be. So they're going to lose revenue on 2 campsites so that we can have a place to let the dogs run around. Now this thing's totally brand new. I mean, you can see the posts aren't even filled back in yet. So they've been making some good improvements here. And I'll put a link down. You'll see where it is. Look at it on the map. If you come through the area, highly recommend it. The people are really nice that own this place. So there's some of the grass that they planted in between the sites, and there's a tree that they planted. So they're really trying to accommodate, the travelers. You do have a main road right here, but you are a half a mile from the interstate. So that kind of muffles the tractor trailer noise and stuff that comes down the interstate. And then on the other side, pretty cool, we got a cornfield. Has free Wi-Fi. I was able to look up our site for that's going to be for tonight on there, get a couple ideas where we're going to stop. So we appreciate the free Wi-Fi. We appreciate that every site in here is a pull-through. 50 amp.
Passport America.
Yeah, Passport America, so $20. I mean, some people were complaining, it's all dirt and stuff, just a dirt parking lot, but, they can come in here and pave it and do a whole bunch of landscaping. Then it could be $60 a night. I don't know. I think it's a gem for 20.
And we also had free ice.
Oh yeah, I gotta show you this. They have an ice machine they put in, and it's got free ice for the campers. Never saw that before. Tear's done.
Okay.
So they got this metal building here in the center that has the restrooms, the showers, and the laundry. They do have a dump station if you need to dump, because some of these sites down here are not full hookup. And then, of course, there's our rig. Well, let me show you in here. So they have a vending machine with some snacks in it. You got your washer and dryer. They're $2 a piece, but this is it right here. I mean, free ice. And they put it in air conditioning, so that's an upgrade that they did. And you can kind of see the pilot off in the distance over there. That is, right after that is where the interstate is, so that's almost a half mile away. So you have a little bit of road noise, but not too bad at all, actually. They got lights around the parking lot, so it's well lit. feel pretty safe here. So I hope you come along and check this place out on your travels in the middle of Nebraska. Okay, so if you're watching this video and you've been following along, this video is out of order. This is in season 3. Season 2, you just watched a video with the tour, right, in the Amarillo,
Right.
Jack Sizemore Traveland. So this one's out of order, but I just wanted to put this one out just to show this place and the location, because I think it's an excellent stop for overnight.
Right.
We enjoyed ourselves. So,
Parking lot was well lit.
yeah, and then you hit the pilot on the way to back to the interstate and fuel up, so worked out really good. So I'm glad you came along, and just a little pay it forward type of thing. She was really nice. She didn't have to say that to us, that she appreciated us, but she did. And a little pay it forward. Maybe she'll get some more business from our videos, hopefully. And if you want to pay it forward, hit the subscribe button. We've been traveling around 7 years now.
Yeah.
We travel with our Poodles, so come along with us. We'd appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you.